Have you given a thought how product managers are successful? It's not just about building products, it's about building the right ones. What if I told you it's a mix of strategy, communication, and something that you might not even expect? Stay tuned, because in the next few seconds, we'll reveal the secret skills behind top product managers. But before we start with our video on the essential skills and qualities of a successful product manager, make sure you subscribe to Upgrade's channel and hit the bell icon for more such videos. Product managers, or PMs as we call them, are highly in demand because they are key to a company's success. They manage the entire process of creating, launching, and maintaining products that make money. A good PM has a unique combination of skills in business, technology, and communication, making them crucial in today's fast-paced, product-focused world. If you're thinking about becoming a product manager, you might be wondering, what does it take to succeed in this job? Well, a product manager is an important part of any company. They act as the link between business goals, what users want, and the technology behind the product. PMs make sure that products meet both business needs and customer expectations. The job requires a mix of technical know-how, business sense, and strong people skills. Let's break it down in detail and explore the essential skills and qualities that make a product manager truly great. Along the way, I'll share some real-life examples that highlight how these skills come to life in the fast-paced world of product management. Let's start with the most basic yet crucial skill, communication. As a product manager, you'll be the point of contact between various teams, from developers and designers to marketing and sales. Your job is to make sure that the product vision, the roadmap, and any changes are clearly communicated to everyone involved. This skill ensures that there is no room for confusion and that everyone is aligned toward the same goal. Think about a company like Slack. Slack brings team communication and collaboration into one place so you can get more work done, whether you belong to a large enterprise or a small business. The product managers at Slack have to communicate the vision of new features to engineers while ensuring that the marketing teams understand the feature's strategic positioning to create compelling campaigns. Without clear communication, it's easy for teams to veer off track, resulting in wasted efforts and missed opportunities. But it's not just about giving clear instructions. It's also about listening. Communication, as we all know, is a two-way street. You need to be able to actively listen to your team's concern and feedback, whether it is from the development side or the customer service department. Next up is strategic thinking. A great product manager doesn't just think about what needs to be done today. They think about the future. They understand the market, foresee industry trends, and develop a product strategy that aligns with both business goals and user needs. Take Spotify as an example. Spotify is a digital music service that gives you access to millions of songs. The product managers at Spotify didn't just focus on building a better music player. They foresaw the potential of personalized music experiences. This strategic thinking led to the development of features like the Discover Weekly playlist, which used algorithms to recommend music based on your listening habits. Not only did this keep users engaged, but it also kept Spotify ahead of its competitors, proving the power of good strategic thinking. One of the most important skills for a product manager is the ability to solve problems. The product lifecycle is full of challenges, whether it's related to technical issues, user complaints, or changes in market conditions. The ability to spot potential problems early and come up with practical solutions is key to keeping things moving forward. Consider the way Dropbox evolved. Initially, Dropbox was a simple file sharing service, but product managers at Dropbox saw a need for deeper collaboration features. They faced challenges like how to manage large-scale document sharing and real-time collaboration. By solving these technical and user experience challenges, Dropbox successfully pivoted and became the go-to platform for team collaboration, ultimately growing its market share. As a product manager, you're constantly juggling priorities, from bug fixes to new feature requests. How do you decide what to work on first? This is where prioritization becomes crucial. Product managers need to evaluate each task or feature based on its impact, user value, and how it aligns with the company's business goals. Now let's talk about Instagram stories. The Instagram product team had to decide whether to enhance its algorithm or focus on building a new feature like stories. They recognized that stories would drive higher engagement and better reflect Instagram's goal of keeping users engaged with real-time content. This decision was a game changer for the platform and set it apart from Snapchat, who initially pioneered the feature. Now, let's talk about technical understanding. While you don't need to be an engineer, having a solid understanding of the technology behind your product is incredibly important. Knowing how things work under the hood will help you make informed decisions, especially when communicating with technical teams. Take Airbnb, for example. A product manager working on the Airbnb app needs to understand the architecture behind the app, including how the recommendation engine works or the complexities of integrating new payment methods. This technical knowledge helps product managers make decisions that are both feasible and scalable. Without it, a PM could inadvertently request a feature that isn't technically possible. Or worse, they could mislead stakeholders about what's achievable. If you're making decisions based on guesswork, you're setting yourself up for failure. In the world of product management, data is king. Product managers use data to inform decisions, track product performance, and identify areas for improvement. You need to know how to analyze data and extract insights that can guide your next steps. Look at Netflix. The company uses massive amounts of data to guide its content creation decisions. By analyzing what shows users are watching, how long they watch them, and when they stop watching, Netflix's PM team can make data-driven decisions about which new series to produce. This data-driven approach has played a massive role in Netflix's success and its ability to keep users coming back. A great product manager always puts the user first. Understanding their pain points, needs, and motivations is crucial to developing products that truly meet the user needs. It's not just about making a product. It's about making a product people love to use. Slack is a great example for this. The product managers at Slack don't just focus on making their messaging platform more feature-rich. Instead, they continually gather user feedback to improve the user experience. This constant refinement, driven by user empathy, ensures that Slack remains one of the most popular collaboration tools for businesses worldwide. Now, you may be working with a cross-functional team, but as a product manager, you'll need to step into a leadership role. This means motivating and inspiring your team, fostering collaboration, and ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Leadership isn't just about giving orders. It's about creating a shared vision and bringing everyone together to make it happen. Tesla's approach under Elon Musk is a great example. Elon Musk leads by example, guiding his team with a bold vision for the future of electric cars. He's not just a CEO. He's actively involved in product decisions, leading and motivating teams to innovate and think outside the box. Adaptability. Well, the tech landscape is constantly changing, and so are user preferences. As a product manager, you need to be adaptable, able to pivot your strategy when needed and react to market changes quickly. Adaptability means being open to new ideas, learning from mistakes, and not being afraid to adjust your plans when things don't go as expected. Zoom is a great example of adaptability. When the pandemic hit, Zoom quickly scaled its platform to meet the demand for video conferencing. They adapted their product by adding features like virtual backgrounds, meeting security features, and breakout rooms to accommodate new user needs. This adaptability was key to Zoom's massive success. Product managers can't afford to work in a vacuum. You need to constantly conduct market research to understand what your users want, what competitors are offering, and where the opportunities lie. Without this research, your product could quickly become irrelevant. Think about Amazon's approach to market research. They are constantly analyzing customer feedback, reviewing competitors, and exploring new market trends. This research helps them create products that truly meet the needs of their users, from Alexa to Amazon Prime. Now, every product manager needs to be a project manager at some level. You'll need to plan, track progress, and ensure that your team stays on schedule. This involves coordinating different teams, managing timelines, and ensuring resources are allocated effectively. Google Chrome's development is a great case study here. The product team behind Chrome had a clear project plan with milestones and deadlines, ensuring they were able to deliver a product that was fast, lightweight, and user-friendly. This solid project management allowed Chrome to become the browser of choice for millions worldwide. Now, as a product manager, you're not just creating features, you're also driving business value. This means understanding how the product contributes to the bottom line. Whether it's knowing how to price your product, calculating the potential return on investment, or understanding how to target the right market. Business acumen is essential. Apple, again, is a great example of a company with strong business acumen. Every product decision, from the iPhone's pricing strategy to its retail store design, is made with the business's profitability and long-term success in mind. Finally, let's talk about emotional intelligence. As a product manager, you'll be dealing with diverse teams, personalities, and stakeholders. Your ability to manage emotions, empathize with others, and foster a positive working environment is crucial to the success of your product. Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, is known for his emotional intelligence. He transformed Microsoft's culture by fostering empathy, collaboration, and a growth mindset, qualities that are equally important for a product manager. The good news is that these skills aren't innate. You can develop them over time. Here's how. First, continuous learning. Keep up with the latest trends and technologies in product management. Attend webinars, read books, and stay curious. Second, seek feedback. Regularly ask for feedback from your team, your customers, and your stakeholders to help you grow. Third, practicing problem solving. Solve real-world problems to hone your critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Next, develop leadership skills. Take on leadership roles, mentor others, and learn from experienced leaders around you. Finally, embrace adaptability. Be open to new ideas, learn from mistakes, and adjust your plans whenever needed. Accelerate your career with UpGrad's postgraduate certificate in product management, designed with due corporate education to equip you with real-world skills, hands-on projects, and industry tools, all online and flexible for working professionals ready to lead successful product teams and boost their impact. To sum up, becoming a successful product manager is a journey of continuous growth and learning. It requires a unique blend of technical skills, strategic thinking, and the ability to lead diverse teams. By focusing on developing the key skills and qualities that we have discussed, you'll be well on your way to creating products that meet user needs, drive business growth, and inspire innovation. Also, if you haven't seen our first video on product management yet, click on the iCard above to start your product management journey now. If you're just starting out, don't worry. This isn't a list of things to master overnight. Take it step by step, and you'll find yourself growing into the role and eventually delivering successful products that make a real impact. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to UpGrad's channel to be notified about our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.